Good morning, students. I am Kaushik VS, working as Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department at SNS College of Technology. We are going to see a subject named as Theories of Machines. Under theories of machine is classified into two types. The first one is statics and the second is dynamics. What is meant by statics? Statics is a body which is at rest, which do not move on its own. We should move the particle or an element or anything to be moved, so that it is called as statics. And what is dynamics? Dynamics is further classified into two types. One is kinetics, the other one is kinematics. What is kinetics? Kinetics is a body which we study during its motion and time, and also by considering its forces. It is said to be as kinetics. Kinetics is otherwise said as study of a body with inertia force. And what is kinematics? Kinematics is nothing but a study of an object which in turns it will move, and with respect to the time it moves, and we won't consider the force in it. So it is said to be as kinematics. The otherwise the kinematics is also named as study of an object without an inertia force. It is called as kinematics. Now you are clear about what is theories of machines and what are the classifications. The main classification is statics and dynamics. What is statics? Study of a body under rest, which does not move on its own. We should move the body or an element from one place to other. That is statics. And what is dynamics? Dynamics is further classified into two types. One is kinetics, the other one is kinematics. Okay. Theories of machines. Theories of machines is classified into statics and dynamics. Statics is a study of a body which is under rest. Rest is the main term, we should highlight it as rest. Okay. This is again further classified into kinetics and kinematics. Kinetics and kinematics. Under this kinetics, we will study about body which is under motion as well as time and force applied on it. So we can name it as inertia force. Inertia force. And in kinematics, we will study about motion and the second one we will study about time. and we will not consider the force under kinematics. So we can name it as no inertia force or non-inertia force. Inertia force. Okay. Now we are moving into the subject named as kinematics of machinery, under which we will see the first unit, basics of mechanism, is the first unit coming under the subject kinematics of machinery. Kinematics of machinery. Kinematics of machinery. First, we will see what is the mechanism and what is machine. Further, we will move into the subject and in the first unit we will see. Basics of mechanism. Under this, first we will see what is a link. What is a link? Link is a resistant body or a rigid body which cannot move on its own. That is link. We can say the example as structure as an example. Structure, where we will use the structure? We will use in constructing the bridges and in roof truss, and somewhere where the structure is used means it will absorb the full load under it. It is called as structure. Structure is nothing but it is a rigid body which collects all the forces or loads applied on it. It is called as structure. Structure is the one of the example for links. Otherwise, we can say in other terms as a rigid body or resistant body. For this, both the example is structure. Example is structure. Example is structure. Now, next we will see pairs. What is a pair? Combination of two links is called as a pair. Combination of two links is called as pair. We can combine it more than two links also we can combine, and it is also here said to be a pair. Combination of links. Combination of links. Combination of links is called as a pair. We will see some of the examples on the types of pairs in upcoming classes. Okay. Next, what is a chain? Chain. Chain is nothing but combination of links is also called as combination. It is said to be chain. or else we can say it as combination of pairs is also a chain. Combination of links is called as pairs and combination of pairs is called as chain. Combination of pairs is called as chain. Under chain we can name the chain otherwise as in which we will give the input and we will get the output. Input கொடுக்கிறோம் அதே சமயம் அவுட்புட்டா வெளியில வரும். That is called as chain. Producing input and the outcome will be the outcome. The input we will be giving. At the same time we will getting the output. That is termed as chain. Okay. Now we will see the types of links.